At the end of this video, you will be able to combine first and last names with space or comma like this in Excel. So let's get started. We can combine data from multiple cells into a single cell in Excel using the ampersand symbol or the concat function. The concat function combines text from multiple cells or cell ranges passed as arguments. To use it, select the target cell where you want to display the full name and type an equal sign to start the formula. Now type concat followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the first name as the first argument. Since we want the first name and last name separated by a space, type a comma followed by a space character in double quotes. Now type a comma and select the cell containing the last name. Type the closing bracket to complete the concat function. Press the enter key to apply the formula. Finally, drag the cell from the bottom right corner to copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, the concat function has combined the first name, a space character, and the last name into one string. If you want to separate first and last names by a comma, you can change the second argument of the concat function to include a comma followed by a space instead of only space. We can also use the ampersand symbol to combine text instead of the concat function. To use that, select the target cell and enter an equal sign to start the formula. Now select the cell containing the first name. Type the ampersand symbol followed by a space in double quotes. Now type another ampersand symbol and select the cell containing the last name. Press enter to complete the formula. Finally, drag the cell from the bottom right corner to copy the formula to other cells. In both of these methods, when we select any full name column cell, the formula bar displays the formula instead of the full name value. To fix that, copy the cells containing full names. Now select the cell where you want to paste the values. Right click and select values from the paste options to paste as values. The formula bar should now display the cell value instead of the formula. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.